The Cuban Missile Crisis. October 1962. President John F. Kennedy was informed of a U-2 spy plane's discovery of Soviet nuclear-tipped missiles in Cuba. The president resolved this immediately, seeing that this could not stand. Over an intense period of 13 days, he and his Soviet counterpart Nikita Khrushchev confronted each other, each with the power of mutual destruction. War would have meant the deaths of 100 million Americans and more than 100 million Russians. Pausing at the nuclear precipice, President Kennedy and a group of advisors he had assembled, known as the XCOM, evaluated a number of options. After a week of secret deliberations, he announced the discovery to the world and imposed a naval blockade on further shipments of armaments to Cuba. A tense second week followed, during which neither side backed down. Presented with the choice of attacking or accepting Soviet nuclear missiles in Cuba, Kennedy rejected both options. Instead, he crafted an alternate with three components. A public deal in which the United States pledged not to invade Cuba if the Soviet withdrew its missiles. B, a private ultimatum threatening to attack Cuba within 24 hours if the offer was rejected. And C, a secret sweetener that promised to withdraw United States missiles from Turkey within 6 months. The crisis was resolved at the last minute when Khrushchev accepted the United States offer. In a TV address on October 22, 1962, President John Kennedy notified Americans about the presence of the missiles and explained his decision to enact a naval blockade around Cuba, and made it clear that the United States was prepared to use military force if necessary to neutralize this perceived threat to national security. Following this news, however, many people feared the world was on the brink of nuclear war. However, nuclear war was avoided when the United States agreed to the Soviet leader Nikita Khrushchev's offer to remove the Cuban missiles in exchange for the United States promising not to invade Cuba. Interesting fact: the actor Kevin Costner starred in a movie about the Cuban Missile Crisis titled The 13 Days. Released in 2000, the movie's tagline was, "You'll never believe how close we came."
Created using Powtoon.